Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be continuing with a series of songs, common songs or classical songs that we all know we've been singing in church. We're going to be doing How Great Thou Art, and we're going to be doing it in the key of F. Alright, so it is similar to the tutorial I did. The steadfast love, they kind of use the same chord, so it should be easy for you to understand. All right, now before I continue, I would like to use this opportunity to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. Keep on sharing the links to all beginners, because I have a beginner series in my playlist and on my website. I've arranged them in a very nice way on the website, and then the link to the website is in the description box. So I would like you to visit the website, watch the videos, learn. And then YouTube has given me a chance to get membership, so I think I'm working on that, so that those of you who are interested in partnering with me can help with the channel, so that I can do more videos, get more gears. All right, so without much ado, let's get into the song. All right, so I suppose you know your basic chords. All right, so it starts on a 6, 7, 1. Oh Lord my God. Then you do. Okay, so all right. Oh Lord my God, when okay, so this chord in awesome wonder. So you do a 6, 7, 1. Then you do a flat 5, a chord 3, and then a chord 4. All right, so let's put it together. 6, 7, 1, flat 7, 3, 4. So let me slow it down so that you can see the chords. Oh Lord, my God. So 6, 7, 1. When I know some wonder. Then you can do. So it's 4, 3, 2. So when I know some wonder. Consider. Okay, so you play 5/1 like this, but in the nutshell, you're playing a suspended chord. Okay, so when I know some wonder, consider. They do the works. We're doing the 6 thy hands have made. Then you do a 5/4. Then you start again. I see the stars. Because you did this chord, you're not going to be playing I see the stars. You can do that, all right, but I prefer from that one you move to a 1. Okay, but any of them you can still do. So when I know some wonder, consider all the works thy hands have made. Da, da, chord 4, dear God, to thee. To a chord 3, we are moving to 6. How great thou art. To a chord 2. To a chord 5. How great thou art. Okay, or a normal 5. Okay, so let me do that place again. Let me sing it and show you. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art. How great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art. How great thou art. So now let me show you the chords. Then sings 6, 7, 1. All right, let me do something. Okay. 6, 7, 1. Then you do. Okay, so it's just a walk. My Savior God, to thee. Okay, so you do a chord like this, or you can play a 3/1 like this. Then you move to a 6. How great thou art. That's a 2. To a 5. How great thou art. That's a 6, 2, 5. Then you do. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. A 3 to a 6. And this time around, instead of coming to a 2, move to a flat 7. How great thou art. Then move to a 5, a suspended. How great thou art. How great thou art. How great thou art. Or instead of the flat, you can replace it with a 2. How great thou art. 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 All right, so basically that's the whole song, and let me sing everything and then play it. Oh Lord, my God, when I know some wonder, conceive the works thy hands how great thou art. Alright, thank you for watching and being part of the tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.